Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, we will learn about some important functional problems which is encountered inside the competitive exam. So let's start today's lesson. So today our first problem is find the inverse function of f of x equals to x plus 2 over 3. So here x plus 2 over 3. So first we will consider x equals to first we will consider like f of a equals to f of b. So here x equals to y plus 2 over 3, and as well as we will consider y equals to x plus 2 over 3. So now we need to solve this two equation. So first equation we will get, so multiple 3 for both side, 3 with both side. So here 3 times x equals to, here if we multiply with 3, then we will get y plus 2. This is our third equation, and here from the equation number 2 we will get the same things we need to do. So 3y equals to x plus 2. So from these two equation we will get like so today our first problem is find the inverse of the function. So function of x equals to x plus 2 over 3. So we need to find out the f inverse of f inverse of x. So here first we will consider, so f of x replaced by y. So here y equals to x plus 2 over 3, and here also f of x replaced by x. So here x equals to y plus 2 over 3. So from this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So here from the 2 we will get 3x. So we need to multiply 3 for both sides. So here 3x equals to y plus 2. So if we multiply with 3, x times 3, and here also we need to multiply with 3. So 3 and 3 cut off, and here we will get 3x equals to y plus 2. So here if we change the side, so here 3x minus 2 equals to y. So y equals to 3x minus 2. So here f inverse of x equals to y. So f inverse of x equals to 3x minus 2. So replace by the y value 3x minus 2. So this is the answer. So now come to another problem. So your functional equation. So if f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y plus 2xy. So here the condition is f of 1 equals to 3. So whether you will get f of 1, so you need to put 3, the value 3. So now come to the problem. So we need to find out like f of 2. So first we consider f of 1. So f of 1, so x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So here 1 plus 1 equals to f of x. So here f of 1 plus f of 1. So here y value is 1 plus 2 times 1, here also 1. Now we will get f of 2 equal f of 1. So here you can see here condition is f of 1 equals to 3. So here we need to put the value 3. Here also f of 1 we need to put the value 3, and also 2 times 1 equals to 2. So f of 2 equals to 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8. So this is the answer. Now this is the third problem, vertex and axis of symmetry. Find the vertex and axis of symmetry of f of x equal x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 5. So we need to find out the vertex. So first here the quadratic equation, like x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a. So from this equation we will get the quotient. So for x to the power 2 the quotient is 1, so a equals to 1. So here a equals to 1, and now b. So here the x quotient is minus 4, so the value of b is minus 4, and c equals to plus 5 or 5. You can write down 5. So here we need to put the value. So here you can see b square minus 4ac, so minus 4 to the power 2 minus 4a and c. So here we will get 16 times 20 equals to minus 4. So we will not consider the negative value. So here x equals to minus b over 2a. So for the vertex we will consider this equation, and here we will put the value. So here minus b, so b value is minus 4 over 2 times a value is 1. So here we will get minus times minus, so plus 4 over 2. So here we will get 2. So here one value is 2, and we need to find out the another value for the vertex. So for y-axis or y coordinate, so here we will put the value of x. So here f of 2 equals to 2 over 2 minus 4 times 2 plus 5. So now we will get 2 times 2 equals to 4 minus 8. So 4 minus 8 plus 5. So 5 plus 4 equals to plus 9, minus 8 equals to 1. So here the vertex, find the vertex and axis of the symmetry of f of x or function of x. So here we will get the coordinate for vertex 2, 1. So now come to another problem is here. So we need to find out the polynomial roots, functional roots. So find the roots of this function. So here you can see the polynomial function. Here we consider plus minus 1 or plus minus 2. So here 1 is the divider for all. So here we will consider first 1. We have to first consider the 1. So here we will consider x minus 1 is one attribute for this function. So we need to find, or we need to use the synthesis, or we need to use the synthesis division. So here the division works like, first we will take 1. Okay, so now here the coefficient x cube coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 4 x square, and here you will get 5, and here minus 2. So now come to the things like, so here nothing is here, so we will consider 1. So 1 times 1 equals to 1. So we need to subtract from this to this. So here 1, so it's a negative 1. So we can neglect this value, and next part here also you can consider 1. So 1 times 1 equals to plus 1. So here plus 1. So here the value will be minus 4 plus 1. So it's a negative 3. So it's a negative 3. And here we will get, so negative 3, and here 3 times negative 3 times 1 equals to negative 3. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. 5 minus 3 equals to 2, and here 2 times 1 equals to 2. So negative 2 plus positive 2 equals to 0. So now we will subtract. Here 1 will come, and here, sorry, it's not the 1. So here so today our next problem is polynomial function root. So here find the root of function f of x equals to x to the power 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. So here we will consider f of x equals to 0, and here the constant term of this function minus 2. So according to the rational root theorem, so here the constant term minus 2 has divided by the leading coefficient 1. So here the possible root is plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So first we need to use the synthesis term or synthesis division. So for this theorem we need to calculate, like we will consider x equals to 1. So here consider 1, and we need to use the coefficient of every digit of this function. So here x cube, the coefficient is 1, and here x square coefficient is minus 4. Here the coefficient with x is plus 5, it's a positive 5, and here is minus 2. So now we need to multiply and add. So here first, so first we need to multiply, like 1 will come here, and 1 times 1 equals to 1, and here 1, and it's negative 4. So we will get negative 3, and negative 3 times 1 equals to negative 3, and here 5, positive 5 minus negative 3 equals to 2, and 2 times 1 equals to 2. So here positive 2 and negative 2 we will add, we will get 0. So now we will get the equation, like using the coefficient we will get x square minus 3x plus 2. So here one of the attribute is x minus 1 with the function of x square minus 3x plus 2. So now we need to calculate this one. So if we consider, so here we need to use the middle term break. So here x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So we will get x common, x minus 2. Here you can take common minus 1, and we will get x minus 2. So here we will get the two attribute form, like x minus 2 and x minus 1. So already we have got the first attribute x minus 1, and here also x minus 2 and x minus 1. So f of x equals to now x minus 1, x minus 2, and also x minus 1. So now we can simplify the equation, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2. So here we have already considered f of x equals to 0. So here x minus 1 whole square whole to the power 2 equals to 0, and x minus 2 equals to 0. So we will get x equals to plus minus 1, and here x equals to 2. So the value, find the root of this function. So the root is 1, 1 and 2. So today our last problem is even odd function. So determine whether the function of x equals to x to the power 4 minus x to the power 2 is even, odd, or neither. So here in my previous video, if you have already seen, the problem is look like different, but almost the problem is same. So we need to just prove the function is even or odd. So for f of minus x will satisfy when f of x all function will be even, and the same things, f of minus x equals to f of x, so all function will be odd. So here odd. So now we need to apply these things, f of minus x. Okay, so we will replace x with the minus x. So here minus x to the power 4, and here minus and minus x to the power square, or x to the power 2. So now we will get, this is a positive x to the power 4 and negative terms here. So here we will get x square, positive x square. So f of x equals to x to the power 4 minus positive x square. So obviously the x to the power 4 will be greater than x to the power 2. So that's why we can say f of minus x equals to, that's a positive, so f of x. So f of minus x will satisfy positive f of x. So here the function is even. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I hope these types of problem always come to your competitive exams, all types of competitive exams. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can ask me. Here is my private group, like the EduBars, and you can search for the Facebook group AIO competitive exam. So join us, feel free to join us on this group and share with your knowledge. Any kinds of doubt you have, you can just express all of the things in the comment section of this video, and also you can go for the Facebook group and you can join us our private exercise. So goodbye for now, see you again for the next video.